Welcome back to this Chapter 10 video on Macro and VBA Tutorial Basic to Advanced. Here, we will learn how to use the paste special command using the macro code. First, create a module and write these line of codes. Execute the code step by step with F8 key, and see what happens in the sheet. This code will copy the range. This code will paste the formats only. This code will paste the values only. In this paste special options, you have multiple options, which is similar with the paste special option of toolbar. Choose the option that fits with your requirement. So, this is how we can use the macro code for paste special. Thank you for watching. In the next chapter, we will learn how to change the text orientation using macro code. See you in next chapter.